أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
See, Kultu lil Mudarrisi. Observe the example. Kultu lil Mudarrisi. Kultu lil Mudarrisi. I said to the teacher. Kultu lil Mudarrisi. If it is plural, Kultu lil Mudarrisin. That is, here it is kasra because of lam. Harfujar. Harfujar gives kasra to the following noun. Lil Mudarrisi. If it is plural, regular masculine plural, what will happen? Mudarrisuna becomes, wa becomes ya. Mudarrisina. It becomes mudarrisina. Wa becomes ya. Qultu lil mudarrisina. I said to the teachers. Here I said to the teacher. Qultu lil mudarrisi means teacher. Qultu lil mudarrisina means teachers. Qultu lil mudarrisina. Qultu lil mudarrisina. I said to the teachers. Al mudarrisuna. Now you have to fill the blanks with the regular masculine plural here. Abhasu. I am searching for the teachers. Abhasu anil mudarri. Wa will become ya. Abhasu anil mudarrisina. Abhasu anil mudarrisina. Khamsuna. Ishtaraitu hadha al-kitaba. Ishtaraitu. I bought hadha al-kitaba. This book. Bi khamsina. For 50 riyals. Bi khamsina. Because of ba harfujar. I said to the engineers. Qultu lil muhandisina. Qultu lil muhandisina. Al mudarrisuna. Sami'tu hadha al khabara min al mudarrisina. I heard this news from the teachers. Sami'tu hadha al khabara min al mudarrisina. هذه الجائزة للطلاب المجتهدين. This prize is for the hardworking students. هذه الجائزة للطلاب المجتهدين. In the اقرأ ما يلي ثم اكتبه مع كتابة الأعداد الواردة فيه بالحروف. Here the number is given, number format. You have to put this in words. You have to write this number in words. In the, you have to write this now. What will you write? In the khamsuna riyalan. Khamsuna riyalan. I have 50 riyals. Raitu, I saw 50 students in the hall. Hall. I saw. Raitu. What will be there? Khamsuna or khamsina? Raitu khamsina taliban bil qaati. Because this is maful bihi of raitu. Ishtaraitu hadha al mu'jama bi $50. I bought this dictionary for $50. Qara'atu 60 pages. I read 60 safhatan. 60 safhatan. Qara'atu. في هذه المجلة, in this magazine, 40 safhatan. There are 40 pages. في الشهر tis'atun wa ishruna yawman. في الشهر 29 يوما أو 30 يوما. في الشهر 29 يوما أو 30 يوما. Why 9? Because it is masculine. في الشهر 29 يوما أو 30 يوما or 30 days. وفي اليوم and in the day 24 hours. See, saatan muannas. So you will start with masculine. Arba'un wa ishruna saatan. Arba'un wa ishruna saatan. Wa fi saati 60 seconds. Daqiqa. Daqiqa is muannas. Start with, so you, even if it is mudakkar or even if it is muannas, for tense it won't change. So sittuna daqiqatan. Sittuna daqiqatan. 60 seconds. Wafi daqiqati, and in the minute sittuna saniyatan. Wafi daqiqati sittuna saniyatan, and in the minute daqiqa 60 seconds. Tis'atun wa ishruna, thalathuna, arba'un wa ishruna, sittuna, sittuna. Arba'un wa ishruna saatan. See, actually saatan is muannas, so we start with mudakkar. And for 60 it is tense, so there is no change in the ma'dud, that is counted object. Hati, Hati bring 20 oranges. Hati ishrina burtuqalatan. Najaha passed in the exam. Najaha 90 students. Tis'una taliban. Here it is ishrina because it is maful bihi of hati actually. Hati ishrina burtuqalatan. Here it is tis'una because it is actually in the position of fa'il. So tis'una taliban. Tis'una taliban. Warasaba ishruna taliban. This is also in the position of fa'il. Rasaba means failed. 20 students failed. 90 students passed. في هذه القرية, in this village there are 70 families. Sab'una usratan. Sinni, my age is 30 years. Sinni, my age is salasuna sanatan. Now from 21 to 29, how to say? See, 21 students. Ihda wa ishruna talibatan. This is girl student actually. That's why ihda wa ishruna talibatan. Ihda wa ishruna talibatan. Isnatani wa ishruna talibatan. Isnatani wa ishruna talibatan. Listen here, for 21 and 22, the numbers are complementing to the counted objects. Whereas from 23, it will be opposite. See, talibatan muannas. So you have to say here mudakkar. How will you say? Thalasu wa ishruna talibatan. You You won't say thalathatun. Wrong. The same way, arba'un wa ishruna talibatan. 24 girl students. Khamsun wa ishruna talibatan. 25 girl students. Sittun wa ishruna talibatan. 26 girl students. Sab'un wa ishruna talibatan. 27 girl students. Samanin wa ishruna talibatan. 28 girl students. Samanin wa ishruna talibatan. Tissun wa ishruna talibatan. 29 girl students. Salasuna talibatan. 30 girl students.
والنعمة لك والملك لا